Cool cars need spoilers and racing decals. Custom PCs need RGB lights. So when you download Ren'py, don't leave it looking like this. Give it a custom theme. Maybe the Troubadour is to your taste. This little number here goes by the name of Cattle Brand. And this one was cool in 2015, I guess. But if you need something a bit more specific to your needs, customizing your Ren'py launcher is a lot easier than you'd think it is. You'll want to go into your Ren'py folder and into the folder called Launcher, and then the folder inside of there called Game. Make a new RPY file called skin.rpy by opening your Atom editor, or if you're old school, Notepad. Copy this text, which I'm providing in the doobly-doo below, and copy it into your skin.rpy file. Now let's look at that code. We can customize the color of non-interactive text, colors for buttons in various states, colors for reverse text buttons, colors for the scroll bar thumb, which is this part on the launcher here, and the image used as a separator pattern, which is this part on the launcher. Most importantly is the custom background, which I'll get to shortly, but this also has an option for a displaybable used for the background of the projects list, which is currently set for null, but we can replace it with a color if you want to. Then let's jump down to the color of input text, which we'll be using whenever we create new projects. And these other two sections don't really come up all that often, so don't worry about them. So let's loop back to those two image files. You can see the first one, pattern, is in the images folder in that game folder, which if you see that here, is a block pattern that is cropped and tiled wherever is needed. For the background image, for now, let's use an image Ren'py comes with. Go into the launcher folder, and under the game folder is a folder called theme. Open that up and copy the image theme_background and go back into the game folder, then images where the pattern is, and paste that theme image there. In the skins.rpy file, change the background image from background to theme_background, and then save the skins.rpy file. Next, open up Ren'py and click Preferences. Under Launcher Options, you should see Default Theme, Dark Theme, and Custom Theme. Default Theme sets the launcher to look like usual. Dark Theme gives a nice little inverted color setup, and Custom Theme sets the launcher to her custom skin. Now that you know how to customize your Ren'py launcher, you can change it to fit your personal preference. You might use this as an opportunity to show off your own art, but for me, personally, I like to decorate my Ren'py launcher like a terrible Winamp skin from 2002. Now that your Ren'py launcher is looking good, watch this next video to really learn how to start coding, or check out one of my other videos here. Happy coding!